This month we traveled to the North Cascades to see Barry Franklin's freelance HO scale Franklin Ridge lines. The engineer was kind enough to let us climb aboard the short lines Shane number 105 and will be dropping us off at the station.
Franklin Ridge Lines is a 1940s-era small HO-scale railroad built by Progressive Model Design of Illinois for Barry Franklin of Mercer Island, Washington. The railroad is 6 feet by 13 feet 4 inches, or about 2 by 4 meters, and models the freelance town of Franklin Ridge. The mythical town of Franklin Ridge has an interesting history. The town sits on a bluff in the North Cascades, part of Washington's Cascade Range. The town overlooks the St. Mary River, which sweeps steadily down from the towering peaks to eventually join the Skagit.